Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by launching both apps with the right privileges. Open Msfs once so its folders and registry keys exist, then close it. Next, run Volanta as administrator and sign in. This ensures it can detect Msfs. Once done, go to Volanta's settings and enable simulator detection. Make sure Volanta's path matches your Msfs installation. If you have multiple drives, point Volanta to the exact Msfs folder so it can read community and official content. Now focus on linking. In Volanta's simulator panel, select Microsoft Flight Simulator, then browse to the Msfs root directory. This is critical so Volanta reads package files. Start a manual scan so Volanta indexes aircraft, liveries, and mods. During scanning, keep other heavy apps closed to avoid file locks. If prompted, authorize access to the community folder and the official folder. This step creates a persistent link so Volanta can manage and log usage. Make sure indexing completes without interruption. Finish by launching Msfs directly from Volanta. This validates the integration and begins automatic logging. After a short flight, return to Volanta and confirm that the aircraft, flight time, and add-ons appear in your profile. If everything shows, you're done. If not, rerun the folder scan, confirm Volanta has read permissions on the Msfs directories, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus that might block interprocess communication. One key tip: repair Volanta via reinstall if persistent detection errors remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.